So here we have the Studily calendar. I will show you how you can create lessons manually in Outlook. I go to the calendar, I add some English to that repeats every Thursday. I invite the Office 365 group created with SDS when I created the teams. So English, I have to do some planning here. We do it in the afternoon. I have another thing going on. We put it here from, is this available? Yes, it is. So we have blocks of 45 minutes. I repeat this every week. Remove the end date, so I have some demo data to show you. I send it. So here I created some English every week, 11 a.m. And I even refresh this one. It is visible just in a minute. And here we have English. If I want to add some homework to this one, I say read. Book 1, pages 40. These books are not collected in a literature list for future reuse, but we will work on that stuff. I add some material to it, some Andy Warhol portrait, and this is, I save it. And you can see now I have a homework icon. Read this one and I can open it. I could define homework in this tab as well. This is a homework overview. I can go to some lesson, to the physics lesson. Read again, book 1. This is just for showing you the principle of doing this. And I could do this as well in the study plan. And let's go to the study plan. Because now, since we have lessons in the calendar, we can do some planning of topics as well. In physics, we have no topics yet. I will create that one, the first topic, and let's call it just Introduction to Physics. Physics, come on. Sorry about this. Class, physics. We have coded this system so we can't go back in time. We will fix this. It takes from current day, so I have to choose current day in order to plan. And a very short topic running in a few days. Select, sorry about that, some working methods, teaching class, and written homework, etc., etc. In this topic, sorry about that, we will, and the rest goes here. What literature? Book 1, book 2, or just use the bullets, etc. Add some materials to it. Again, a Warhol, and the Warhol is and we save it. Time is running. 2 minutes. It's not enough for me to show you what you can do. So, topic 1. Beginning from today, ending up next week, I can create another topic. Some more topic. Just to show you the basic of it. So, as you might imagine, this system is for the moment being based on dates. I would like this system in the future, maybe we can drag and drop things, and etc. Teaching in the class. This is, I need to define some text, and this is enough. So topics replanning is not easy for the moment being, but this will be available very soon. I want it to be drag and drop able so I can put some more ahead of introduction or rearrange the dates in an easy way. We can't do that yet, but it is planned. When we have added some topics, we can create a curriculum. Doing this by pushing download, I select the class, I accept, yes, and now it has been downloaded in a file. All the stuff I entered here. The last thing I want to show you is how you can create assignments. Let's do that for the class physics. We have some introduction assignment 1. You can see introduction to physics, immersion time. The students should spend 1 hour on this one. I can connect it to a lesson. They have another assignment here on the 25th in the math. So I will create this assignment for the 26th and select this one, this lesson. Do the task in book 1, page 23. I can upload some extra material. How should they hand this in? Individually, teacher-based, or student-defined groups. A teacher-defined group can be created manually by dragging and dropping the students into groups like this. And this is very boring, so the teacher wants to let the system generate groups. I add 6 groups, create random groups, and the teacher knows that Francis and Anthony can work together, so the teacher puts Francis in group 2, put Gladys in group 1, and etc. Well, Gloria is a special case. She needs a little group of her own. That's it. I include this in your curriculum. I can select to publish it tomorrow at some point of time. That's basically it. Confirm. So when students log into the system, they upload, they can see this assignment. It was a group based. So one student on behalf of the rest of the group upload the materials and the teacher can then correct them. Yes, that's about it. Sorry about the time. It took me 8 minutes. I promised you to do it in 2 minutes. I cannot do it in 2 minutes. Thanks.